folding shapes into 2 equal parts, halves, or 4 equal parts, quarters, or fourths. Use food items, roti, chocolate, to explain sharing, and practice shading 1/2 or 1/4. How much roti does each person get if we cut it into halves? What about if we cut it into fourths/quarters? So today we're going to be introducing the topic of fractions. Let's start with this introductory question. So let's say we have a roti, and this is the roti, and we cut it into halves. That means when we cut into halves, 1/2 is represented by this. A half means like 1 equal part when there's 2 equal parts. So let's say we cut it like this. And let's say this is 50%. This is 50%. Each one is a half. Okay? Now if we have that same roti and we cut it into fourths, like this, then we'll have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So basically, in today's lesson, we're going to be learning the basics of fractions, and this number on the denominator for our purposes is going to be how many parts there are. So fractions will get more complex later, but this is what we're going to learn today. So we're going to be learning about dividing things into quarters and halves. So in this case, it would be 1/4 or a quarter, because there are 4 equal parts. Each part of this is equal. Each part 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal, and there are 4 parts. So basically a fraction, we use it to represent division. So like a fourth, a half is a fraction, a fourth is a fraction, stuff like that. So introduction to halves and fourths. Halves and fourths are common ways to divide different things. For example, we can divide a piece of roti into halves or fourths. So we already went over that. Introduction to measurement. Halves. If you divide something into halves, you'll have 2 equal parts. Fourths. If you divide something into fourths, you'll have 4 equal parts.